friends, I am Arnav. Welcome to my channel on Retro Tech. Today I will show you the unboxing of Luarappa. You are looking at company's Baku SMD workstation. Okay, it is totally brand new. Bought it from Kolkata Chandchok. Okay, so now let's get started. You are seeing that it is a product of Baku, and I am going to open it. It is totally hard, so I use a knife to pull it. Yes, done. And then that it is I think this is Chinese language. I don't know Chinese. This is user manual. Baku. It is lower assembly workstation. In English temperature chart, cautions, soldering instruction, cautions, and this is Chinese language. Okay, keep it that side, and then keep it at side. And this is the Gloa workstation. Oh my god, I have a stand. This is totally made of steel. Totally made of steel. And I have three nozzles, three types of nozzles. 1, 2 and 3. It is thickest and it is thinnest. This is medium. I will use this type of nozzle. This. Okay. I keep it aside. And this is the door. Is too much weighty. And I keep it aside. No things are there, but I want to check it finally. Nothing so there. Okay. Put it and then this side. This is I continue my camera because it is covered with plastic. Uncovered plastic. This part, that hot gun, I have to join it. So at first I have to unplastic the there. This is the power cord. Power cord. Supply line. This is the supply line, and this is the front face. Now I have to set the stand like this. I have completed the job of the stand of that gun. This is like this. Okay, and then I have to set the nozzle. In the specialty in Baku, the keeping stand in Baku is totally made of steel, but other companies it will in plastic or fiber. Okay, I have to fix that. Now I have added the nozzle, the gun. This gun is made of Baku. Total setup is like this, and let's get tested. Now like total setup, and get it on, and just see, this is blinking and this is getting hot, and see this, it is getting melted. Okay, and done. Always turn off the machine and wait until the off of the LED. Then unplug the plug of the blower. It is totally depends on the timer. This is always blinking. Then turn in and switch. Okay. Thank you.